All right, we're gonna go take a spin in a 1967 Pontiac GTO. This is a pretty nice one. Starlight Black, factory 4-speed, 400, single 4-barrel, black interior. Black on black looks great. It's an old paint job. It's got a lot of little scratches and stuff in it. But you know what? You can drive it this way. If you get a nick or a chip in it, you're not gonna freak out. But it's got a hood tack that was added to it. And it's got the Royal Bobcat emblems on it. It's not a Royal Bobcat, I highly doubt it. But Royal Bobcat was like Yanko with Camaros. So they would take a car, brand new car, and they'd tune it, change the jets in the carburetor, put a ram air on it, and get about 50 more horsepower. And that's what they would do at that dealership. So kind of cool. But it's got the decals on there. It has the ram air. It's a good running car, really tight. We put brand new tires on it. The tires were very old, probably 20 years old. But it's got power brakes, drum brakes, power steering. Wow, really smooth. Original steering wheel, original radio. It's got some added gauges under the dash, which, it's always nice to have because, the factory lights and stuff and gauges aren't as good as aftermarket ones, but those are vintage Stewart Warner. It's got a set of 15-inch Cragar wheels on there. Like I said, we put new tires. We put some Cooper Cobras on there. They're staggered, a little wider in the back. But fun car. Nothing like a black on black 400 4-speed GTO. We're gonna go up here and take some more pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our 1967 Pontiac GTO. Yep, it's a real GTO, 242 VIN number. It's finished in Starlight Black with black interior. It's got a little red pinstripe on there, some vintage original Cragars. Like I said earlier, we put some new tires on it. They were old, 20 years old or something crazy. So this car was stored for a long time and just recently had like brakes done to it. We did some new tires, alignment, had some new suspension components, all that was redone. So it drives wonderful. Engine runs good. It's got the ram air setup on there. Paint is old. I think it had a vinyl top. It's got some cracking and stuff here in the paint. Little burn through here and there. But like we say, us car guys, it's like a 10-footer. Actually, maybe a little better than a 10-footer. Looks good. You don't have to worry about driving it. Get a scratch or a nick or a chip, you touch it up, keep driving it. The early Cragars are staggered, so it's got the little 6s in the front. I think they're 8s in the back. Jacked up a little bit in the back. It's got some spacers in the springs that we could take out, level it out, but this is what we did back in the 60s with these cars. Jack them up a little bit, put some big tires on the back. So Royal, which was Ace Wilson Royal Pontiac, I think they're back east somewhere, they did what they call a Royal Bobcat. I don't believe this is one, but they did the Bobcat features on it with the different jetting. It's got the ram air, the decals. Pretty cool. They're supposed to get a little extra horsepower. I'll show you the interior. Interior's nice. I mean, the bucket seats, upholstery's in good shape. Door panel's in really nice shape too. The dash has no cracks in it or anything. Got the original AM radio, original steering wheel. Back seat's like new, probably never sat in, at least since it's been redone. But carpets are good. Factory Hurst shifter, Muncie 4-speed. Needs a couple things. It's missing the little latch for the center console. All this stuff's available for this stuff, with these cars too. And we have this one priced affordably. The last one we sold like this was, I think, was about $75,000. It was a 66. But you know what? It's a great looking car. It's a GTO and it runs and drives fantastic. Here's the power plant in our 1967 GTO. It is not matching numbers. I believe it's a early 70s 400. Still a great motor. It's got the original 4-barrel carburetor on it, cast iron intake. This one has the ram air upgrade, so it's got a little scoop in the hood there that's functional with the foam kit, little air induction. But it's got power brakes and power steering, and man, it's a pleasure to drive. We'll go ahead and fire it up for you. Sounds good. It's got dual exhaust, exit out the back, a couple little chrome tips back here. Nice little rumble. Yeah, sounds great. Even has those old black California license plates. So it's a good, solid, rust-free car. Some paint blemishes here and there. If it was mine, I could live with it. Little ding in the bumper there too. They sell these bumpers. Everything's available for these GTOs and Chevelles and Mustangs, so that's kind of nice. But if you want to see it in person, come out and visit us in Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you a personal tour of the car, show you around the showroom, or if you don't want to come out and you want us to ship it, give me a call. We'll make arrangements. All right, thanks for watching.